This we've added a various different video elements to this, and we've built up a few video timelines. We're now going to look at audio. Now, a site that I like using all the time is called Ben Sound, and this is a really good site to get royalty-free music. So if you click on the free music at the top, you'll notice there's a number of different things. These are copyright safe, they're safe for YouTube, and you can use them. If you look there, it says free to use with attribution, which means you've basically got to see where you've got it. Now, if you see the free download button, that means you can actually use it. And if you click on the preview button here, you'll actually be able to listen to your sound as well. I've actually got my speakers turned off, so if I just play this, lovely. And you can play and look through a number of different pieces of audio. Now then, once you've found the song that you want, click on the free download and then click on download, and then this will save it into your downloads folder. Now the good thing is, if you then show your downloads, I'll show in Finder, and then just drag in, what I can do is I've put it in here, and you can kind of see now it's put the entire track on this timeline. Now this track is a few minutes long, so as my clips are barely 20 odd seconds, you can see it goes on and on and on and on and on. So there is going to be a little bit of work that we're going to need to do with this. So the first thing we're going to do is just preview it. Okay, now we know this is going to end here. So what we're going to do is click the blade tool, and I could go scroll all the way to the end of this audio clip and then drag it in, but it's really quicker for me just to use the blade tool here, put a little clip in there, click on the move tool, and then delete. Now if you wanted to combine more than one track, then all you could do is download another one and then put it in underneath, and you could sort of move them around just so that you can hear one or the other playing. So that is how you would add in some audio to your track, and that's how you would clip it as well. You can put different audio transitions on here as well. So if you have got more than one audio and you wanted to, say, crossfade them or something like that, you can basically drag that in and put it onto the end there, and then what it'll do is it'll do some sort of gradient there for you. So you can see now that one's done a nice little fade out. One thing to note when you do this, if we zoom in a little bit, I'm just going to extend this audio back. And what we're going to do is I'm going to click on this here. If I just zoom it in a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing. If I click on the actual effect, I can then drag the effect out a little bit more. So what that means is it's more of a gradual. Okay, so it's more of a gradual effect. Now that there looked as if I was extending it by a lot, but as you can see, it's only a matter of about 1 second that I've actually extended that out. And you can keep on going and moving it out to your heart's content there. So that's how you add audio in. Ben Sound was the name of the website that I've used in the past, and it's a good one to use because it's got royalty-free music on there, but you are free to find anything else that you want to use on the internet.